이게
될까요?
무거워서.
Hi pals, this is Eddie from FFCA in the Republic of Korea. Today I'm going to take the indoor setting of this motorized glider ASW-28 from Volantex RC. When you take the canopy glasses on and off from the fuselage, it could be broken or cracked because of the outside temperature. So I'm gonna reinforce this canopy with these 3M PVC tapes to the edge of this canopy. How about this? I finished the reinforcement of the edge of the canopy glasses with the 3M PVC tapes. Alright pilots, I finished all the connection to the receivers. Let's test each pin. Aileron, and elevator, and rudder, and flaps, and throttle. I got the brake on the electric speed control for the safety when this plane is taking up and landing. And the ailerons and flaps connection is a little difficult, so I used the Y cable for the flaps and the aileron cables connected indirect to the receiver each. The channel 1 is the left aileron and channel 5 is right aileron. This connection for the spoiler movement for the aileron, it will help for the landing. Let's go to the next step. Right, I finished the sticker job. The sticker is not easy to attach the fuselage and the surface of the foam. Okay, this is the center of gravity that is 56 ± 5 mm from the braiding edge. I hung the ASW-28 on the balancing rig fixture to check her balancing and center of gravity. I should add 20 grams weight on the horizontal tail wing and 2 grams weight on the edge of the left main wing for the balancing. Alright pilots, I finished the indoor setting of the ASW-28 from Volantex RC. Thanks for watching and have a nice flight.